The National Weather Service in Lubbock, Texas has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Cochran County in northwestern Texas, western Hockley County in northwestern Texas, until 7:30 p.m. At 6:50 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles northwest of sundown, or 15 miles west of level land, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard: 70 miles per hour wind gusts and $half-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include level land, sundown, wide face and Opdyke West. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
This message from the Emergency Alert System is now concluded. From WeatherScan 24/7, online radio,